Alright folks, so what we have here is what happens when you don't replace the filter. We have a very, very dirty inside of this furnace here. You can obviously tell it hasn't been changed in quite some time here. So what we're going to do is we're going to vacuum and clean it all up and make it look pretty again, make sure it works. Alright guys, well we've finished up here. We've vacuumed the entire furnace area here. We've taken out the blower as you'll see in the pictures, and we've vacuumed out the blower wheel as well. We've gotten down in the filter area. We've got that all cleaned out, and filter rack and the doors. So, no more overheating for this furnace.
First, called you all the fast service people.